SunStamp is SUNDEK's versatile, custom-designed stamped overlay system. The SunStamp polymer modified overlay stamp coat is spread by trowel or squeegee to a desired thickness over the existing concrete. Once the desired texture is selected, the textured skins or mats as well as the base material are sprayed with SUNDEK lift-off release agent. This allows the stamped overlay to stay where it belongs, on the concrete. The selected mats are then placed onto the drying stamp coat and tamped on to create the impression and thus creating a slip-resistant textured surface. Your sun stain of choice is then placed in a pumped-up sprayer and applied to the textured stamped overlay. The true reveal will come once the clear sealer is applied that not only protects your investment, but makes the colors come to life to reveal a transformation only created by a SUNDEK artisan. And there you have it, another decorative concrete solution from your friends at SUNDEK.